The VEVOR 2-person hammock with stand is an excellent choice for those who love to relax outdoors. This spacious double hammock measures 75 inches in length and 55 inches in width, providing ample room for 2 people. It can support up to 480 pounds, making it perfect for couples or even solo loungers who like extra space. One of the standout features of this hammock is its strong curved bar design. The bamboo spreader bars are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical. Their curved shape helps distribute weight more evenly, which adds to the overall stability and comfort, reducing the risk of rolling over. The double-layered quilted fabric is another highlight. Made from a blend of polyester and cotton, the hammock offers a comfortable and durable surface that withstands outdoor conditions. The fabric feels sturdy and has been upgraded to 200G quilted cotton, ensuring it resists tearing and fading even with prolonged use. Durability is further enhanced by handcrafted ropes. These 18 thickened polyester ropes are hard woven and reinforced with fishtail knots and sturdy metal rings. Setting up this hammock is straightforward, and it comes with a portable bag for easy transportation. Whether you're setting it up in your backyard, garden, patio, or poolside, the hammock is versatile and stylish, available in various colors and designs to match your outdoor decor. Overall, this VEVOR 2-person hammock is a comfortable, durable, and stylish addition to any outdoor space. Its thoughtful design and quality materials make it a great investment for those looking to create a relaxing retreat in their backyard or garden.